If you're still watching this series, it means one thing. You're ready to go from content creator to content earner. And here's the brutal truth. No matter how good your video is, if the right people don't see it, it won't grow your channel, your income, or your confidence. This video is your visibility unlock. And it starts right now. Welcome back to CashWave's Creator Stack series. Over the last 3 videos, we've shown you how to build, automate, and streamline your content. Today, we're pulling it all together with the Visibility Stack. Everything you've learned so far hinges on this. Because if no one sees your content, none of the tools, hacks, or strategies we've shared will matter. And it's all inside Toolkit 6. You've heard about this before, but here's the reminder. Toolkit 6 includes free templates, pre-written SEO headlines, channel checklists, and smart YouTube hacks. These bonuses are exclusive and time-sensitive. You'll find the link to Toolkit 6 in the description. It's packed with everything you need to get off the ground and get seen. The first part of your visibility stack is VidIQ. Think of it as the engine behind your content growth. VidIQ is packed with tools that help you rank, get recommended, and track what's trending. With VidIQ, keyword research becomes effortless. It tells you what people are searching, what's trending, and how to position your content to get discovered. You don't need to guess which title, description, or tags will perform. VidIQ guides you, optimizing every upload to maximize your reach. For faceless creators using automated workflows, VidIQ bridges the gap between your content and its audience. It ensures your videos don't just exist, they get found. But to truly unlock VidIQ's power, there's one critical piece you can't skip: VidIQ Mastery. VidIQ Mastery isn't just another program. It's a results-driven system that teaches you exactly how to use VidIQ's tools to grow strategically and fast. Whether you're starting from scratch or already have momentum, VidIQ Mastery simplifies complicated concepts like SEO, ranking as a faceless channel, and scaling from 0 to 10,000 subscribers. With VidIQ Mastery, you're not just optimizing for views. You're learning how to dominate your niche, attract subscribers, and drive affiliate sales.
The biggest shift for me wasn't what I posted, it was how I posted it. When I started with VidIQ, everything changed. Instead of guessing in the dark, I had data guiding every move. But the real game changer, when I paired VidIQ with VidIQ Mastery, I unlocked growth I didn't think was possible. Videos that never ranked before were showing up on page 1. That meant more clicks, more subscribers, and more commissions. It wasn't luck, it was strategy. If you're on the fence, trust me. These tools made all the difference in my growth.
Don't just take it from us. Here's what one of our subscribers, Jason B., had to say. I applied just one trick from VidIQ Mastery and landed 14K views in 3 days with a faceless video made in Pictory. That video made $212 in affiliate commissions my first week. When creators like Jason combine VidIQ Mastery and the tools in Toolkit 6, they're not guessing. They're growing. Matt Parr and the VidIQ Mastery team told us directly why you need this stack. They've seen how fast CashWave subscribers scale with their tools. And here's the good news. They've loaded exclusive bonuses into Toolkit 6 for free. That means extra templates, hacks, and discounts you won't find anywhere else. But they're only available through our description link. This stack was built to give creators the edge they need to stand out. Visibility is the difference between effort and earnings. If you're ready to grow smart, grab Toolkit 6 now. Here's what you'll get: the full visibility stack, SEO templates, viral video formulas, CashWave-only training bonuses. Comment below and tell us your current subscriber count and your next growth goal. And don't forget to hit subscribe, because in the next video, we're comparing 2 of the most powerful systems for launching your online business. Systeme.io versus Go High Level. Which one fits you? You don't want to miss it. Your visibility stack starts now. See you in the next video.